this is Sass. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a 3D paper flower shadow box. So we're going to be going through everything from getting the image of the 3D flower in Cricut Design Space, to cutting, to rolling, to putting all the flowers in the shadow box. And I'm also going to be showing you how to apply the vinyl on top of the shadow box. Let's go ahead and get started. So this is the one I'm using, and you can go into images, type in 3D flower. You can see this first one, we're going to use that. And if you scroll down, you can see more flowers, which are included free in Cricut Access. So go back and click the image. We're going to be using this size 8.88 by 8.194 inches to make this flower, because it just fits perfectly in the shadow box that we're going to be using. Click Make It. Then adjust the material size to 9 by 12 inches for the flower to fit in the 8.5 by 11 inches cardstock. Then click Continue. Make sure your Cricut machine is on. If you're using Cricut Explore Air 2, adjust your dial setting. I always leave the dial on custom to always prompt me on which setting I want it on for each project. Choose medium cardstock. I always adjust the pressure to more. Then press the Flash and Go button on your Cricut machine. This is a handmade quilling tool that I've been using to roll flowers. I'm going to insert the flat part of my petal into the slit of my quilling tool. Roll in toward yourself. So once we finish rolling, you'll see that this flap is the last petal of our flower, and this is going to be the base of the flower. We're going to be using a good amount of hot glue on the bottom. Close the flap, lightly press it, and there it is. In the next few minutes, I'll be doing it again in 3 different shades of pink. Now I'm going to show you how to get the petals more of an open rose natural look. You can use your fingers to kind of push the petals backwards, but don't push too hard, just enough to open the petals. This 12 by 12 inches white cardstock is where the flowers are going to be glued on in the shadow box. And we'll use the shadow box. You can get this from IKEA. We'll use this white hard paper that comes with a frame to measure the background of the frame, and that's where we are going to glue the flowers on. You can choose a different color other than white, Again, it depends on your personal preference. Now you can glue all the flowers using hot glue. This shadow box can fit 25 flowers if you adjust the size of the 3D flowers in a Cricut design space to 8.88 by 8.194 inches. Now we're going to apply the text on this acrylic glass. I have a different tutorial video on how to cut, weed, and transfer the text to a surface. There's another protective covering on the back that you have to peel off. Now place the acrylic glass like so, and then the flowers. And the backing of the frame. Lastly, lock the frame. And there you have it! See you on the next episode of DIY by Cess. Thanks for watching!